Hi there, welcome to today's video, and here we're exploring the exciting world of cryptocurrency and learning all about how to keep your digital treasure safe and sound. Now you might be wondering why it's so important to store cryptocurrency safely. Well, just like you wouldn't leave your real-life treasure lying around for anyone to snatch up, you need to keep your digital treasure safe from sneaky hackers and scammers. And with cryptocurrencies becoming more and more popular these days, it's more important than ever to have secure storage methods in place. So in this video, we're going to discuss the 5 best practices and tips for safely storing your cryptocurrency. Get ready to become a crypto security pro. Let's explore. Make sure to stick around till the end of this video because you'll uncover not only the importance of safely storing cryptocurrency, but also valuable tips and tricks to keep your digital treasure secure. Imagine you worked hard and earned some cryptocurrency. It's like having a secret stash of digital money, right? But here's the thing. Just like in the real world, there are bad guys in the digital world too. These bad guys are hackers, and they're always on the lookout for ways to break up into digital wallets and steal people's cryptocurrency. They use all sorts of sneaky tactics like phishing mails or creating fake websites to trick you into giving them access to your digital treasure. And it's not just hackers you have to watch out for. There are scams too. Imagine someone pretending to be a friendly sailor offering to help you and protect your treasure, but in reality they just want to steal it for themselves. And these scams, they can be very convincing, and so it's very important to always be cautious and double check everything before sharing any sensitive information or sending cryptocurrency to someone that you don't fully trust. Now let's talk about a bit of a scary thing: losing access to your cryptocurrency. Just like you can misplace your house key and get locked out, you can forget your digital wallet password and lose access to your cryptocurrency. It's like losing your treasure map. Without it, you have no way to find your digital treasure. Why am I telling you all of this? Because I want you to understand the risk involved in storing cryptocurrency. It's not all fun and games. There are real dangers out there. But don't worry, it's all doom and gloom. By being proactive and taking steps to protect your digital access and assets, like using strong passwords and being cautious online, you can keep your cryptocurrency safe from harm and enjoy the benefits of being a part of the exciting world of digital currency. Let's get into something really cool: hardware wallets. So what are they exactly? Well, think of them as your own personal super secure piggy bank for your cryptocurrency. Here's the deal: hardware wallets are physical devices, kind of like USB drivers, that stores your cryptocurrency offline. Yep, that's right, offline. This makes them way more secure than other storage methods, like keeping your cryptocurrency on an online exchange or in a digital wallet on your computer. Now let's take a look at some popular hardware wallet options. You've got ones like Ledger Nano S, Trezor, and KeepKey. These devices are like Fort Knox for your digital treasure. They come in all of the slots of fancy features like built-in encryption and PIN codes to keep your cryptocurrency safe from hackers and thieves. But here's the best part: setting up and using hardware wallet is easier than you might think. It's kind of like setting a new phone. You just follow a few simple steps like downloading the wallet software and creating a strong password. Then you'll get a special recovery phrase. Think of it as your secret code to unlock your digital piggy bank. And voila, your hardware wallet is all set up and ready to go. So why should you use a hardware wallet? Well, besides being super secure, they also give you complete control over your cryptocurrency. No more relying on third-party services to keep your digital treasure safe. With a hardware wallet, it's all in your hands. Plus, they're portable, so you can take their cryptocurrency with you wherever you go, and just like carrying cash in your pocket. So there you have it. Hardware wallets are the ultimate way to keep your cryptocurrency safe and sound. With their enhanced security features and ease of use, they're a must-have for any budding crypto enthusiast. If you ever felt the stress of keeping your digital assets safe, or if you ever wondered what are the best ways to protect your cryptocurrency, then hit this button right now. This video is packed with essential tips and strategies to keep your safeguard your digital treasure, so show your support by giving it a big thumbs up. So are you worried about the safety of your digital money? Well, brace yourself, because in the upcoming part of this video, we'll discuss the importance of safeguarding your private keys. We'll explore the potential consequences if someone gets access to your keys. It's a significant issue that we can't overlook. Let's tackle that together. Let's chat about some something super important when it comes to keeping your cryptocurrency safe: private keys. Think of them as like secret codes to unlock the door of your digital treasure chest. First things first, why the private key is so crucial? Well, they're like the keys of your phone. Without them, you can't get in. Private keys control access to your cryptocurrency funds, so keeping them safe is super duper important. Now, let's talk about the best ways to generate and store those private keys. One top tip is to use offline methods, like generating your private keys on a computer that's not connected to the internet. This helps keep your keys away from prying eyes and sneaky hackers. And don't forget about encryption. It's like putting a super strong lock on your digital treasure chest. But here's the thing, even the best private keys need a backup plan. Imagine if you lost your house key, you'd be locked out, right? So same goes to private keys. That's why it's crucial to securely back them up. You can write down on a piece of paper and keep them in a safe place, or use a special backup device called a hardware wallet to store them offline. So to sum it all up, like, private keys are like the guardians of your digital treasure, and it's up to you to keep them safe and sound. By following these best practices, like generating them offline, encrypting them, and securely backing them up, you'll be one step closer to becoming a cryptocurrency security pro. So let's check out multi-signature wallets. Now, don't worry if it sounds a bit fancy. I'll break it down for you. So what's exactly the multi-signature wallet? Well, think of it as like a digital vault that requires more than one key to unlock. It's like having a treasure chest that can only be opened when a certain number of people out there unlock it together. So here's how it works. Instead of just one person having control over the funds in a wallet, multiple parties like you and your friends or family each have their own key. And guess what? Well, you need a certain number of those keys to unlock the wallet and access the cryptocurrency inside. Pretty cool, right? Now, let's talk about why multi-signature wallets are so awesome when it comes to security. Since multiple people have to sign off on transactions, it's way harder for hackers to steal your cryptocurrency. It's like having a team of superheroes guarding your digital treasure, like the more, the merrier. But wait, there's more. Multi-signature wallets also come with added flexibility and trust. You can customize who can access the wallet and set different signing requirements for different transactions. Plus, it adds an extra layer of security in case one of the keys get lost or stolen. Now, you might be wondering, where can you get your hands on these multi-signature wallets? Well, there are plenty of platforms and services out there that offer this multi-signature functionality, like BitGo, Casa, or Electrum. And setting them is pretty straightforward. You just follow the instructions of the platform and you'll be good to go. So to sum it all up, multi-signature wallets are like having a digital fortress protecting your cryptocurrency. By distributing control among multiple parties, they provide enhanced security and peace of mind for you and your digital treasure. So let's hear your experiences and tips for keeping your cryptocurrency secure. Please comment below. Alright, let's wrap things up for talking about something super important: good security hygiene. First of all, let's talk about passwords. You know how you need a super strong password to keep your social media account safe, right? Well, the same goes to the cryptocurrency. Make sure you use a password that's not very simple, but rather long and unique. None of that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stuff, please. And hey, if you're feeling extra fancy, you can even use passphrase for added security. Next up, we've got two-factor authentication. It's like having a secret code sent to your phone every time you try to log in. That way, even if someone guesses your password, they still can't get in without that specific code. And it's like having a double lock on your digital treasure chest. But wait, there's more. You gotta keep your software up to date too. Just like how you update your iPhone or computer to get the latest features, updating your cryptocurrency wallet or trading platform helps to keep it safe from sneaky hackers and bugs. Now let's talk about something a bit scarier: phishing attacks, malware, and social engineering tactics. Phishing is when someone tries to trick you into giving them your sensitive information, like your password or private keys, by pretending to be someone you trust. But malware? It's like a digital virus that can infect your devices and steal your cryptocurrency. And then there's social engineering, where someone tries to manipulate you into revealing your sensitive information. Pretty scary stuff, right? And that's why it's super important to always be vigilant and double-check everything before sharing any personal info online. Last but not least, let's Let's talk about managing your cryptocurrency security across various devices and platforms. Whether you are using a computer or smartphone or tablet, please make sure you use reputable wallets and trading platforms, and always double check the website URLs to make sure you're not falling into any phishing scams. To sum it all up, practicing good security hygiene is like putting on armor to protect your digital treasure. By using strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, keeping your software up to date, staying vigilant against scams, and securely managing your cryptocurrency across devices and platforms, you'll be well on your way to keeping your digital access safe and sound. And take your crypto journey to the next level. Join my Telegram channel right now. The link is below. So it was Ed with you. Please don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe to the channel. I'll really appreciate that.